Okay, everyone, you have to watch this if you have an iPhone.
Okay, if you go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, System Services, and Significant Locations, don't freak out, but there's going to be a history of all your frequently visited locations. To turn it off, just turn off Significant Locations. This is just a PSA if you want to. But everyone, go to your settings right now and see what locations they have for you. And make sure to send this to all of your friends that have iPhones.
Here's some iPhone hacks I guarantee you didn't know about, part 2.
To rearrange apps faster, long press 1 and then click others to group them together. Swipe in with 3 fingers to copy and swipe out to paste. Drag with 2 fingers to select multiple messages. Go to timer and select stop playing. I use this so that my music turns off as I'm falling asleep.
Here's some iPhone hacks I guarantee you didn't know about, part 3.
Go to the Notes app and click on Scan Documents. Now you're going to be able to scan anything into PDFs. If you make a mistake on the calculator, swipe left to delete. Tap and hold the timer button to set your timer much faster. When sharing photos with friends, click on Options and turn off location data. Send anyone your location on iMessage by typing I'm at.
Hidden iPhone hacks you need to know about, part 2.
Okay, if you hold the send button in iMessage, you can send messages with different really cool effects. Triple click the power button to turn on a magnifying glass that you can use on anything. You can shift your keyboard to one side for one-handed typing. If you want to hide a picture from your friends, you can put it in a hidden folder.
Here's some iPhone hacks I guarantee you didn't know about, part 4.
You can create custom vibrations for different contexts. Just click ringtone and vibration. Then click create new vibration and tap out whatever pattern you want. Dial this number and click on serving cell measurements to see how strong your signal is in different places. Long press flashlight to change its brightness. Lock your camera focus point by holding the screen until AF lock pops up.
Here's some iPhone hacks I guarantee you didn't know about, part 5.
The best way to hide pictures is click edit and crop your image super small. People won't be able to tell. To go back, just click edit and revert to original. Charge your phone faster with airplane mode. Plug in earphones and use the volume button to take pictures.
Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone with your voice. First, go to Accessibility and click on Voice Control, then click on Customize Commands. From here, click on Create New Command and type in whatever phrase you want to use to unlock your phone. Then click Run Custom Gesture and type in the place your passcode would be. Now when I say Open Sesame, my phone unlocks.
Here's some more iPhone hacks I guarantee you didn't know about.
When you're sending a message, flip your phone and click the symbol. Now you can send handwritten notes to anyone. In Settings, go to Notes and create a password. Now you can hide anything in Notes by swiping left and password locking it. If you want your music to sound better, click on Music, EQ, and select Late Night.
Here's another iPhone hack I guarantee you didn't know about, part 9.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to take pictures with your voice. First, go to Settings, click Accessibility, and then click on Voice Control. Then Customize Commands, Custom, and choose whatever word you want to use. Then Run Custom Gesture and click right here. Now when I say Aloha Mora, my phone takes a picture.
Here's another iPhone hack I guarantee you didn't know about, part 8.
Here's how to never type in your email again. In Settings, click on Keyboard, Text Replacement, and then you're going to click this plus in the top right hand corner. I have an example right here. Type in your email at the top and a shortcut you want it to be after. Now when you type in that shortcut, your email pops up.
Here's another iPhone hack I guarantee you didn't know about.
This is how to use your phone if your touchscreen stops working. By the way, credit to iMore. Hey Siri, turn on voice control. Open Safari. Show grid. Tap 2. Apple Store Los Angeles. Tap go. Show grid. Tap 27. And that's how you can get your phone fixed if the touchscreen stops working.
Here's some more iPhone tricks I guarantee you didn't know about.
In Settings, go to Safari, Advanced, Website Data, and now you can delete a ton of stored data. Go to Health and set up emergency contacts in your medical ID. Now when you hit SOS, your emergency contacts will get your location updates even if location's off. To stop annoying spam calls, go to Settings, Phone, Silence Unknown Callers.
Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you haven't heard about.
I'm going to show you the fastest way to know what to tip without opening up your calculator or unlocking your phone. First, go to Shortcuts and turn this one on. Then just swipe over here, click Edit, and add it as a widget. Now when you swipe on the lock screen, add your bill, add your percentage, and it'll calculate it for you.
Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about.
This is how to clear your phone's RAM if it's acting funny or lagging. Go to Accessibility, Accessibility Shortcut, click Assistive Touch, and triple click the power button to activate. Then in Settings, go to General and click Shutdown. Now hold the home button on Assistive Touch for 2 seconds until the lock screen comes up. Your phone should be working much smoother now. Follow for more tricks like these.
Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. Let's say your phone gets stolen. The thief is going to turn on airplane mode and now you can't use Find My iPhone. Here's how to prevent that. In Face ID and passcode, turn off this control center setting. Now when your phone is locked, people can't access control center. Keep in mind this is just a deterrent, and I'll put more information down in the comments. Share this with everyone you can and follow for more tricks. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you haven't heard about. This little circle is called Assistive Touch, and I'm going to show you how to use it to make your life so much easier. In settings, go to Accessibility, Touch, and turn it on. Personally, I like to use double tap for screenshot and long press for mute. Now when I double tap it, it screenshots, and when I long press, it puts my phone on silent. Share this with your friends and follow for more. Here's a life-saving phone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. Let's say your car breaks down, you're stranded, and you need to charge your phone. All you need is a 9-volt battery. All you need to do is touch one side of the battery with the car charger and the other side with the key. Then press the key on the metal part of the charger. Now you have power. Everyone go try this right now. Share this with everyone you know and follow for the best life hacks. Here's another iPhone hack I guarantee you didn't know about. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use your voice to swipe on TikTok and like videos. In Accessibility, go to Voice Control, Customize Commands, Custom, and create a new command. The voice command can be whatever you want and make the custom gesture you swiping up. Now when I say next, my phone swipes to the next video, and when I say double tap, it likes it for me. Here's an iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. I'm going to show you how to make your phone's volume louder than the max. First, in settings, go to music and make sure volume limit is off. Then go to EQ and turn on late night. Now your phone is going to sound way louder. Share this with all of your friends. Guys, here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. I'm going to show you what to do when your iPhone is running out of storage. As you can see, the other category is taking up so much space. To fix this, first back everything up to iCloud and then reset your phone. And this is what my storage looks like after. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. This is how to extend your phone's battery life. In general, turn off background app refresh, and in motion, turn on reduce motion and turn off these two. Now, in system services, turn off these ads, significant locations, and these three. Your battery will last so much longer. Share this with all of your friends.